Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm on another creek right off a bridge, and it's about 10 miles east of the last place I was fishing, if you watched the last episode. And I'm gonna hit this little creek right here. It's amazing. I'm standing on a little rock ledge. Looks like about 3 feet deep little hole. I'm gonna wade it and see if it's got anything in it. I'm gonna start back there and then come back up. And this creek, I fished it a couple of years ago. Caught some nice smallmouth. Gonna see if it's changed or it's remained the same, and hopefully it remained the same where I catch a bunch of fish. I'm gonna walk down this and make sure I don't bust my butt. I've fell a couple of times, so I want to be careful I don't twist an ankle and get down here. See a little fish right there, a little minnow, maybe a little bluegill. Cast right over there. Nice little rock ledge right there. Let's see if we can get it. It's mid-morning, so I just got out here about 9:15. Something. I don't know what it is. What is it? Green sunfish. All right. All right. Got a nice little pool right here. 2 pools. So I'm just gonna. Last hole wasn't too good. Caught one green sunfish. So at least I'm not getting, I won't be skunked for today. But you gotta check out this rock formation, these limestone rock formations. That's just looks pretty. And then we've got the hole up here, small hole, but it's wide. I don't know how deep it is, but it looks pretty. So I'm gonna hug these rocks over here. Nothing. Right there. I'm gonna sit here and stand here and cast for a minute or two. Walked a little bit, nothing. Or a gar right there. There's a pool. Tree turned over. And I'm gonna try this back pool. Maybe there's something in here. Right there. Been walking for quite some time and I haven't found any good holes until now. Got a little current, and it seems like it's widening up a little bit. Hopefully there'll be something in here. Got something. There we go. Smallmouth. First one of the day. I see a beaver up there. Something watching me. Those are otters. All right. This is the hole I've been looking for. See the otters over there? They're looking at me. There's two of them. Don't think I'm gonna. There's three. There's two of them. Right there. There's a family of them. One, two. They're under. It's got another smallmouth on here. There we go. It's not bad. I'll take him. Caught him in that little hole. So it's getting a little bit better, but not like last time. This creek right here, there's a couple deep holes, but otherwise it's pretty shallow, but it is improving. So 2 smallmouth. Man, so I'm gonna try this. Got a little running current. It looks shallow, but I've got this little tunnel of trees, as you can see. Nice little bluff, and you'd be surprised. Sometimes there's a decent smallmouth in here on a foot of water you'll catch every now and then. I've been walking and I finally stumbled onto a nice hole. I mean, it's a gorgeous hole, and I'm going to fish it. I mean, that looks amazing. And I got another bluff up here too. I'm gonna hit that. See what we can catch. Oh, man. There we go. Got off. Pumpkin seed. He's not a bad one either. Very colorful fish. Rock formation looks cool. Got one. What it is. Green sunfish. I just got one right now. He's a good one. There we go. We'll take him. They're in here, but it's been a rough day today. There he is, about 9 inches. I think there's a... So I changed lures. I've been forcing this MEPS, trying to make it work, and I've only caught three smallmouth and one green sunfish. On the minnow. There we go. Got him on the minnow. He's a good one. There he goes. He's caught pretty good. And he's right here. Got him. On the... There we go. I think that was... He's not bad. It's about 12 inches. Just caught another one off this bank. There he is. There he goes. We're starting to pick up a little bit. Put him in there. I gotta go back. Drop another one. He got off. Got a turtle right here. And he's running away from me. Go ahead. Try to navigate around these rocks without falling. And they've got some steps right here, so I can just easily walk down. Okay, that's deep. Ranch looks like a baby blue heron. I don't know if I got it on the GoPro. All in all, today wasn't too bad. I caught 7 smallmouth, 3 sunfish, green sunfish, and 1 pumpkin seed. This creek wasn't too bad. Had to put in a lot of effort, but I'm done for the day. I would do this creek again. It wasn't, like I said, it wasn't too bad. It was nothing like last week on that other side, that other creek that went into the Gasconade. That was a bass slam, but it was enjoyable. I did get a family of otters. Hopefully I got that on there, and I got a turtle on too. So it's just a good time coming out here. So please subscribe, and thank you for watching.